Have you ever felt that you were right about it and it ended up being right? Have you ever had a gut feeling that there is something wrong about this person and it ended up being wrong? This ability is called intuition. Is a natural ability. Like a muscle, even intuition can be developed. Your logical mind is limited by the information it has, but your intuitive mind can feel the connections and know things your logical mind otherwise do not know. It is like your super intelligence. Imagine if we all could use our intuition, how good can we become at problem solving and decision making? You can intuitively know how to take the right decisions that will help you. I once misplaced my keys. I used my intuition to help me find them back. I started building wealth after I took decisions based on my intuition. In fact, I use intuition now as my decision making system for business, relationship, and personal choices. They have all served me well in times of uncertainty. Every time I do not know what to choose, I listen to my intuition. Over years, I have developed a keen sense of intuition. Also, every time I went against my intuition, I suffered a lot. Really bad decisions. Although they seemed like great decisions, but they really gave me hard time. I wish I had listened to my intuition. So, in order to help others learn the fine skills of intuition, we have put together a neat course called as Intuition Powers. It's a powerful subconscious programming to help you become a good listener of intuition. So many times we harm ourselves because of poorly taken decisions. Marriages suffer, business losses, health problems are a result of poor choices and poor problem solving. Just imagine you have a Google for all life problems solution. That's how intuition works. It's really super intelligent. And in this lifetime, you deserve to learn this skill and live a life that you truly deserve. Take the Intuition Powers course to really sharpen your intuition.